Good day, everyone!
Interviewing a random students
About their perception kung mudawat ba sila kwarta during election.
Let's go!
Good morning. Kana unsay name nimo ug asa ka nga department?
So, good morning. My name is Alex Chilinoga from BSES 1A.
Kanang nami pangutanan nimo about sa election kanang mudawat ba ka og kwarta gikan sa mga politician during sa election?
Yes?
Kay nga nang mudawat man ka.
For me lang, no, kay mudawat ko kay di man na focus and then sila may nihatag.
Okay. So, nakoy ba sa nga article kanang bahin sa aning may kanang tong kanang kuan din na siya kanang bawal din ang mudawat tay og kwarta. So, mo na siya katong section 261A of Batas Pambansa bilang 881. Mo na siya ang buying and selling votes during an election is illegal and undermines democracy. So, vote buying occurs when a candidate for the representative offers money, goods, or favors in exchange for votes. So, vote selling happens when voters accept such offers and cast their votes accordingly. These acts distort the electoral process, promote corruption, and can lead to unfair election outcomes. So, any political party that would be found guilty shall be sentenced to pay a fine of not less than 10,000. So, pwede di ka maka-fine. So, 10,000 na ni or pwede pa ka ma-preso once nga mudawat ka kwarta sa lugar sa mga politician. So, usay, kaingon ni mo itong law.
So, like, kayan, anang hello is kanang, di ba, di man na sila tawag nga vote buying kay tungod, di man na pugos. So, sila may nihatag. So, for example, kanang tawag like, kanang kamang-kamang. So, ang kami lang is, naraman only sa buy and then naraman na nila kung mudong sila.
Okay, thank you kayo.
Can you state your name and what department?
So, my name is Andrea Georgia Mayot from CBM Department.
Nakoy question. Kanang mudawat ba ka kwarta during election from politician?
So, ang answer no kay mudawat ko kay gihatag man na nila pero kana awang butuhan is katorog yapon karapat dapat nga mulingkod jud kanang tarong bitaw niya.
Nami law nga among ipabasa ni Mate. Kasi masultin nimo sa imong gibasa te.
So, the law against vote buying and selling protects the integrity of election. So, it ensures that leaders are chosen fairly, not through.
Good morning. Ay, kanang, asa mo gikan na department? Ay, pwede i-state yung name din. Asa gikan na department? Ay, ikaw na.
Ralph Anthony Valentos sa Sitas. Just studying okay from Sitas.
Nami ka ng pangutana about sa election ka na. Una pangutana ka ng mudawat mo ka ng kwarta during sa election gikan sa politician. Nga mo dawat man ka? Kamando nga man mo dawat.
Ano na? Gihatag man daw na palibaran.
Nari ka ng law ang kanang ka man dawat o kwarta. So nani siya yung law kanang buying and selling votes during an election is illegal and undermines democracy. Vote buying occurs when a candidate or their representative offers money, goods, or favors in exchange for votes. So, vote selling happens when voters accept such as offers and cast their votes accordingly. These acts distort the electoral process, promote corruption, and can lead to unfair election outcomes. So, ang saan yung kaingon na itong law? Disagree?
Kasi man ang bayi mo man sige qualify
Oo
ra.
mo. Sige, thank you kayo
Hindi
ninyo
man
ha.
mo putaran.
Name and what for department. Ang nanaagin nila from SIPNA. Nakoy pangutana, dawat ba mong kwarta during election coming from politician? So for me, kanang kaan, it depends kay we have our own perspective, but if kung dawat ka, kanang dapat butuhan mo ang tao or kanang siya kay based sa yung platform na nahimo na kay because we know that voting is sacred. So that's my opinion.
Naputay law are nga buying the selling vote during an election in illegal and undermines democracy. Pwede tag mapreso ani sa unsa may mong ikatubag ani. Kaya masulti nimo sa law nga imong gibasa ko.
So I can say the law that it's against vote buying and selling to us essential uphold fair and democratic elections. So it helps to corruptions, ensure equal voting, and practice and promote free and fair and credible elections.
So, mag-ask lang ko kung dapat makakwarta during election.
So, kanang answer is like maduha. But I enroll na kanay influence especially ngay nakastorya sa tawag na. Sa ang difference between sa tawag pa or dito. So, paano ko
So, nadi tayo long, di good pwede din.
Yes.
Dawat o ba? So, buying and selling vote during an election is illegal and undermines democracy. Vote buying occurs when the candidates or their representative offers money, goods, or favor in exchanging for vote. Vote selling happen when the voters accept such as offer as cast their votes accordingly. This act distorts the electoral process, promote corruption, and can lead to unfair election outcomes. Many countries have strict laws and penalties against these practices, including fines and imprisonment to ensure free and fair elections. So, pwede gyud ita mapriso o mudawat ang kwarta during election. So, unsa may magkaymon ano?
So, ano nga, that case, so, there's a lot of tendencies nga mapriso yung tao mo kay law man siya. So, pero is tagan man yung mga tao nga mo, di ba? So, dito ka please, especially nga, wala pa ko'y nadungog, or wala pa ko in my own, wala ko'y nadungan nga na priso ko. So, dito ka please sa tanang tao nga mo, dawat ba sila or dili. So, it's up to them, but especially, vote ita wisely. Pero para sa hugaling mo rin.
So, good morning. Unsay name nimo og asa ka nga department?
So, good morning. I am Rosalie Siller from College of Agricultural Sciences.
So, nami ka nang pangutanan nimo about sa election. So, mudawat ba ka og kwarta gikan sa mga politician during sa election?
Actually, yes, mudawat ko.
Kaya nga namang mudawat ka?
Kaya sa tao, nginahanglan naman dyan po kwarta and kanang gihatag sa mga politicians, wala man nato na sila pugsa nga muhatag, ila man ang kabubuton nga muhatag nato during kanang election.
Okay, so sa giingon nimo nga modawat ka, so nakoy basahon nga law sa about aning nay modawat ag kwarta gikan. So nga ang buying and selling votes during an election is illegal and undermines democracy. Vote buying occurs when a candidate or their representative offers money, goods, or favors in exchange for votes. So vote selling happens when voters accept such offers and cast their votes accordingly. So these acts distort the electoral process, promote corruption, and can lead to unfair election outcomes. So any political party that would be found guilty shall be sentenced to pay a fine of not less than 10,000. So which shall be imposed upon such party after criminal action has been instituted in which their corresponding officials have been found guilty. So unsay kaingon mo ato nga law?
Sa ana nga law, sakto jud pod. But from my answer nga mudawat ko doesn't mean nga nagbaligya ko sa akong boto. Common sense na lang pod kung feeling nimo deserving na siya or dili siya deserving anang position, nganong iboto man na siya nimo.
Thank you.
So, state you are in department of Ano lang kung yung pamilawat o kakwarta during election. So, ano mo dapat makakwarta?
Wala, need mo po the kwarta, like, for example, i-allowance.
So, nadetaylo nga kinanan di ka magawat o kwarta. So, buying and selling vote during election is illegally and undermines democracy. Vote buying occurs when a candidate or their representative offers money, goods, or favor in exchanging for vote. Vote selling happen when your vote accepts such an offer and cash their votes accordingly. This act distorts that electoral process promote corruption and can lead to unfair election of outcome. Many countries have strict laws and penalties against these practices, including fines and imprisonment to ensure free and fair election. So, kung madawat ay tao ka ng kwarta during election is pwede yun tamo mapiso. So, so may kayo mo na. Alam ko mo daw
Can you state your name and what department are you from?
I'm Lindsay Kaitaman. I'm from PUAS.
Mudawat ba ka og kwarta gikan sa mga politician during sa election?
Para po na ko, mudawat ko kay ingon man sila nga kangayan daw na sa mga tao.
Okay. So, nakoy basahon nga lo. So, natay lo nga buying and selling votes during an election is illegal and undermines democracy. So, kanang pwede ka maka-fine so not less than 10,000 or pwede ka ma-preso once mudawat ka og kwarta. Asa may kaingon mo nga law?
Para po na ko murag dili na guro ko mudawat kay pwede mo ta mapreso or makabayad ta kung mudawat tag kwarta gikan sa mga mudaganay nga politiko.
Okay, sige, thank you.
So we are done interviewing random students about their perceptions kung mudawat ba sila og kwarta gikan sa politician during election. So mostly they said yes to claim the money. So I am Joan Baslot.
I am Chitani Henson. I am Aigu Bujungay.
And thank you for watching.